Let's solve some questions from properties of proportion. These are from previous year's board papers and specimen papers. First question is solve for x using the properties of proportion. So they have given an equation and we have to find the solution by using properties of proportion. So the first thing that we need to do is the equation must be a proportion also. So we have the left side, we have something by something, but the right side is only a single number 3. So we need to write 3 as 3 by 1. Then it becomes a proportion. We have left side something by something is equal to 3 by 1, 3 is to 1. Then we can apply properties of proportion, and for such a format that we see here, the best property to use will be componendo and dividendo, because when we apply that, everything will be simplified and we will be able to solve it. So first thing, to write 3 as 3 by 1 in the right hand side, and then we will say that using the property componendo and dividendo, we will get so componendo and dividendo, if you remember, if we have a by b equals to c by d, that means a plus b by a minus b. So numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator will be equal to c plus d by c minus d. So always remember to apply the property of proportion on both the sides, on both the ratios, not just one of them. So in the left hand side, I will get the numerator, which is root of 2 plus x plus root of 3 minus x, plus the denominator, which is root of 2 plus x minus root of 3 minus x. This entire thing divided by the numerator minus the denominator. So numerator again is root 2 plus x plus root 3 minus x. Now minus the denominator means minus root of 2 plus x, but minus of minus root 3 minus x is plus root of 3 minus x. Now this is equal to 3 plus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. Alright. Now if we see the root 3 minus x and the root 3 minus x here can be cancelled, plus and minus, and the root 2 plus x and minus root 2 plus x can be also cancelled. So in the numerator we have root of 2 plus x plus root of 2 plus x. So that is 2 times of root of 2 plus x divided by 2 times of root of 3 minus x. This is equal to 4 by 2. So now if I simplify, these two are cancelled. 4 by 2 is simply 2. So I will have root of 2 plus x by root of 3 minus x is equal to 2. I want the value of x, so I can square both the sides to get rid of the square root. So squaring both the sides, I will get 2 plus x by 3 minus x equals to 2 square, which is 4. Now it's just a linear equation in x. I can solve it very easily. Just move the 3 minus x to the other side. So I'll have 2 plus x equals to 4 times of 3 minus x. So 2 plus x is equal to 12 minus 4x. 4x I will bring to the left side. So the minus will become plus. So plus 4x plus x is 5x. And 2 on the other side is minus 2. 12 minus 2 is 10. So x is equal to 10 by 5, which is 2. X equal to 2 is the solution. And if I put the value of x equal to 2 in the original equation, you will see that it's correct. Then let's solve the next question. Here they're asking using componendo and dividendo. So they have specified which property to use. They may not specify like in the previous question. So we need to understand ourselves which property to use. So here using componendo and dividendo, we need to find the value of x. So let's say that this is the proportion and it's already in a proportion format. Something by something equals to something by something. So if I use componendo and dividendo, the numerator plus denominator I have to write. So x cube plus 3x plus the denominator 3x square plus 1 divided by the numerator x cube plus 3x minus the denominator. So minus 3x square minus 1 is equal to, again the same thing on the right side, 14 plus 13 by 14 minus 13. And you can also mention it. It's always best to mention which property was used. So here using componendo and dividendo, we get this. Now the next thing to notice is the left side. The numerator and denominator are some expressions involving x cube and all that. So if I think about the identity of, let's say, a plus b whole cube, expansion is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. And if I compare the numerator, it is very much in that format. So here we have x cube plus let's look at this term 3x square. So this is 3x square into 1, I can assume, and the plus 3x is same as plus 3 into x into 1 square plus this constant 1 is same as 1 cube. So if I compare the identity a plus b whole cube, this is same as x plus 1 whole cube. So the numerator becomes x plus 1 whole cube. And if I look at the denominator, it is similar to a minus b whole cube, which is same as a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So if I look at the expression that we have, instead of a cube we have x cube, and if I look at the minus 3x square term, it is same as minus 3x square into 1, and the plus 3x is same as plus 3 into x into 1 square, and the constant minus 1 is same as minus 1 cube. So this is exactly same as x minus 1 whole cube. So the denominator is x minus 1 whole cube. That is equal to 14 plus 13 is 27 by 14 minus 13 is 1. Now 27 is 3 cube. So if I take the cube root on both the sides, I will get x plus 1 by x minus 1 is equal to cube root of 27 is 3. 3 by 1 is 3. Now I don't have to again apply componendo and dividendo. You can use it and then you will find the value of x, but here it's just a linear equation with x, so no need to really apply anything. We can just move the x minus 1 to the other side. So x plus 1 equals to 3 into x minus 1. So x plus 1 is equal to 3x minus 3. So we have, now x on the other side will be having 3x minus x, and the minus 3 on the other side is 3. So we will have 2x equals to 4. That will give us x equal to 2. So x equal to 2 is the solution. If you substitute the value in the original equation, you will find that it is correct.